Faith it till you make it. It wasn't just a personal mantra, it became a shared mindset. Throughout our college journey, many of us found ourselves lost, exhausted, and the verge of giving up. The pressures, expectations, and personal struggles we carried often felt too heavy, and yet it was God's quiet presence and ending grace that gave us the strength to move forward. That simple reminder to keep going, even when everything seemed too much, became a lifeline for us. To our college dean, Dr. Judith B. Intong, our guest speaker, Ms. Kanoy, department chairpersons, faculty and staff, beloved parents, and especially my fellow graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Remember pa ba mo sa inyong moment na ni-enter mo sa college? Ako, I still remember it just like it was yesterday. I entered college nga wala nakapasar sa CMUCAT. I entered as a PD or President Discretion student. So, mga nang ginatawag sa mga estudyante na wala nakapasar sa entrance exam but were still given a second chance sa mag-school dari nga university through the approval sa ato ang university president. And if you are a PD, dili ka makapili sa imong gusto nga course. So, it will depend sa available slots. And sa ako ang case, gibutang pa nila sa Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness Management student nga program nga wala jud ko hanaw ato. So at that time, I felt lost. I doubted myself and questioned nga, para ba ni sa ako, Lord? Kaya ba ko ni? Or unsa ka akong work after ani ba? So mo tong mga questions nga gabalik-balik sa ako ang mind. Pero over time, I came to realize nga I wasn't alone in feeling that way. Many of us entered college with doubts and fears about our chosen course, about our capabilities, and what the future held. Some carried financial burdens, while others silently battled emotional and mental struggles. We all came from different starting points, but we shared one thing in common. We choose to keep going, and that made all the difference. So as we celebrate today, let this be a reminder to all of us. We are more than our beginnings. We are proof that second chances, hard work, and faith can take us far. We are proud and humbled to say that if you believe in yourself and in God, where you start does not define where you're meant to end up. Some of us may have started unsure of the path, and maybe it wasn't our first choice. Maybe we didn't get in through the traditional way. Maybe we felt misplaced, but once felt like rejection became redirection. A redirection toward a meaningful journey and a greater purpose. The courses we did not choose became the very paths that shape us. And the success wouldn't have been possible without the people who believe in us.